The Creator Elite V2.0 BMW scanner is an all-in-one diagnostic powerhouse designed specifically for BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce vehicles, providing seamless and efficient diagnostics with its advanced Android operating system and intuitive touchscreen. This tool excels in its ability to conduct full system diagnostics and bidirectional control, allowing users to perform active tests and ensure all car components are functioning correctly. It offers an exclusive battery registration feature, which is particularly useful for BMW owners, enabling both same-type and different-type battery registrations effortlessly. The scanner provides a comprehensive suite of maintenance services, which are all free, helping users avoid costly dealership visits for tasks such as oil resets, ABS bleeding, and battery registration. One of the standout features is its advanced ECU coding, which allows users to personalize their vehicle settings and enhance the driving experience with options like mirror auto-folding and seatbelt warning deactivation. Lifetime free updates and multilingual support make this scanner a user-friendly choice for car enthusiasts and professionals alike, ensuring it remains a valuable tool over time.